Hello everyone, I'm back with Ocean Landscape today. I'm not going to use canvas here. I'm going to recycle cardboard sheet. As you can see, this is a thick cardboard sheet which you get in any parcel. This video is especially for beginners who are practicing acrylics. Before jumping into canvas painting, I suggest you to follow few simple techniques to create a beautiful landscape. As a beginner, there is no compulsion to use high quality acrylics, high quality canvas, high quality brush, everything. I didn't use for 1 year. If you can afford it, then it's absolutely fine. If not, then you need to have some shortcuts while learning, which I experienced. I'm going to share it today. If not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and support. I will be sharing my ideas, my experience with you guys. Let's begin. As you can see, I have taken basic colors, that is yellow, blue, red and green. But in case of white, I am going to use liquid white. This diluted white helps you to mix the color and blend it smoothly. Since we are not going to create any texture, we can take this diluted white. I have started with the dark shade and I am slowly mixing this liquid white. Gradually I am going to blend it. I am not using much water here since it is already diluted. Keep blending them. I have not taken any reference picture here because I'm creating this video just to explain. Once the plain sky is done, then start blending them and start creating clouds. Add some white borders and slowly blend them and keep the edges white and downwards it will be dark only, so you can use little blue also. Half blue in the bottom and a white in the top will create some shades. Clouds have no limit, so you can create few also, or you can, if you wish, you can create more also, but for practice you can create more and understand how it gets created. As you can see, I'm going to add in some borders or some edges so that it looks like a sunlight sun ray, and in the downwards I'm going to blend just a touch. Clouds are normally white, grey or whatever in the plain sky, and if you want you can create some vibrant sky using other colors as well. Let's create some by mixing red and blue here. So I'm blending it and I'm creating some other shapes, like actually clouds are moving. Look into the directions and keep the borders white. Well, this is the best way to practice clouds, I guess. Okay, done. Let's use tape to level up the sky and the ocean. For the distance, I'm making some dark shade for the ocean, and slightly I'm using that liquid white and green shade, everything. More I go further, I'm going to dilute it with the lighter blue. Blend them smoothly and create some shadows or borders. I'm not using any reference picture as I already said, so if you have a reference picture, based on that create the waves. So at the edges I'm going to create waves by adding whites here the same liquid white I am using, but I am going to look into the direction. So create some wave kind of shadows. I love when it turns it to abstract. I'm using little lemon yellow for the borders, like sand and all. I'm going to mix them with red, green. Little by little I'm adding water and I'm going to create some shadows here, like dark shade. If you wish to stop here, then just add in some highlights to the waves. You can choose to add rocks here and there, or you can add in some coconut trees. I'm planning to add some grass. Let's blend them in the border of seashore and let's create some grass. Let's start adding grass background. A first layer which I'm using green with red, I'm mixing it to create darker shades. Mixing white for the highlights. I'm using flat brush for the waves. Smoothly I'm going to create some waves here. Blend them smoothly and create some texture in the border. Also, let's add some crashing waves here. Let's consider there is a rock in the bottom of that grass. Take the brush strokes upwards, sides and all, so that it looks like a crashing wave. Few got blended here and few highlights with the plain white will look very good. So almost done with the oceans. Let's add some floral thing on grass. Very lighter touch of white here and there, which looks like a white florals. You can add some bunches as well very smoothly. Only use the edges of brush, that is a dry brush. If you want, you can create some more grass works here and there, or any other tree kind of thing. Using the same method for highlights or the ocean as well. Create it very slowly. Either you can take a thin brush or uh, only dot kind of thing you can add in here and there in the distance. Even my hands are shaking. Small textures here and there in the distance. I'm holding my hand to balance. Create it very lightly. If you put the pressure on the brush, then it will ruin the creation. Add in some highlights here and there wherever you wish to add. Well, almost done. As a beginner, you will be happy once you create it. While practicing, you will get to know so many things. You will learn so many things by yourself. That is the best ultimate satisfaction you will get. Recreate anything and mail it to me. I will be featuring your artwork in my upcoming videos. If you are interested to learn shortcuts like this and few techniques like this, then please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment, and let me know what else I should create and come up with beautiful creations. I hope you all like this method. Thank you so much for watching.